Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we learn what is the benefit of async attribute in script tag and where should we use this. So first of all, I have created a small script, a small HTML script to start with. As you can see here, I have written a script tag inside the head tag, that is console.log first, console.1, and I'm also using an external JavaScript, and after that I'm using console.log and printing the console2. So let's see what it is printing and in which sequence in the console. As you can see here, when I refresh the browser, you you can see that console.1, then inside JS, then console.2. Inside JS is written in the function.js, which I have included here. Script source function.js. Currently, I am not using async attribute, and you can see the sequence of logging the sequence of logging. What is in which sequence they are logging? Console1 inside JS and console2. Now I am putting async attribute in the script tab. Now see what happens. Now you can see that inside JS goes to last, and console1, console2, and inside JS goes to last, which is written in the function.js. It goes last because when I put async attribute in the script tag, it started when we refresh the page, and when it loads, first it prints console.1, then it search for async attribute. When it finds, then it won't wait for the fully load JS. It goes to the another execution, and it prints console2. When it loaded fully function.js, then it prints the inside JS. Now suppose we create a function inside a function.js external file. Function, we can write any name or name of the function, like if you want to func inside JS. Inside this function, for now we just consoling any string, like console.log, anything you can console, like blah blah blah, anything like from function. From function. As you can see, I have created a function named function inside JS, and inside the function I have consoling from function. Now what I have to do is, like, I call this function inside this file after this script, external script, like here. Now see what happens in the browser. I'm refreshing the page. As you can see here, it has thrown a error, like uncaught reference error. Function inside JS is not defined. This is happened because we are calling the external script with async attribute. This function is called before this external script loaded. That's why a error has been thrown. So what should I do here is to stop this error, to stop this error thrown, is like there is another attribute of script tag, that is onload, and we can directly call this function here. Now the error will be removed. As you can see here, the error has gone, like from function is logging perfectly here, but it is showing in the last because we have used our async attribute. If I remove this attribute, async attribute, now see what happens in the browser. Console 2 goes to last because when it requests for the function.js, it will not execute the another line of this page till the external script is loaded fully. And when I use async attribute, again and again I am explaining it because you can understand it well, what is going inside the code and what is the benefit of async attribute. When I use this async attribute, when browser requests for the function.js, it won't wait for the fully loaded of function.js and execute the another line of code. That's why when I use this function inside JS here, a error has been thrown, and we can prevent this error by calling onload attribute of the script tag. Another way of doing is this, like we can call another function here, function, and you can write any name like ABC, and call this function inside here and call this ABC function here. We do like this because when currently we have a one function, so I can put here like directly in the onload attribute. But when we have a multiple function like function xyz console.log from xyz function. So if I directly put here the function inside JS inside the onload attribute, then how can we call xyz function? That's why I have created another function ABC, and we call this ABC function in the attribute onload. Now we can call multiple function here, xyz, and you can see in the browser everything will be consoling in the console. As you can see here, from xyz function is consoling here. That's all, my friends. Async attribute of script tag. What is the use of async attribute in the script tag and what are the benefits and where should we use it? Basically, we use async attribute to increase the speed of any page. Because when any external script called, it blocks to execute another line and it waits for the fully loaded. Here we have a single external script. Suppose we have a 10 external scripts, and you can think how much time it will take to load one by one 10 external scripts. That's why we use async attributes to parallelly request for all the external scripts, and one by one, anytime they get the response and executed accordingly. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.